Good morning, student. This time we have to study Roman numericals. And firstly, I have given Roman numericals 1 to 100. You have to write and learn it. Then some special rules in there. So you have to things to remember. Basic rule from to the Roman numericals. Rule number 1. Here, repetition of a Roman number means addition. It means if you repeat any number, so we have to add. Suppose here x means 10, but we have to written x plus x yani 20, yani x plus x, 10 plus 10, 20. Then again 3x means 30. It means 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Then second rule is a smaller number written to the right of a larger number is always added in the larger numericals. Here, a smaller number always written right. Firstly, I have written larger number, then a smaller number, and we have to add. 10 plus 1 equal to 11. Next example is L means 50, X means 10, L, X means 50 plus 10, 10, 70. Rule number third, a smaller number written to the left of a larger numericals or always subtract from the larger numericals. I is a smaller number and V is larger number. It means 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Here you have to remember that when I have written a smaller number, left side you have to subtract it, and a smaller number written right side, it means add. You have remember always this type of rules. Then rule number 4, when a smaller number is placed between two larger numbers numericals, then it is always subtract from the larger numericals, immediately follow it. It means जो नंबर हम जो दो लार्जर बीच नंबरों के बीच में स्मॉलर नंबर होते हैं, उसके जो बाद वाले नंबर आते हैं हम उससे उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. सो हेयर 10 प्लस 5 minus 1 equal to 14. Always we subtract a smaller number than larger number. You have remember it. Then some other rules here. In the Roman system, there is a no symbol from zero. Zero का यहाँ कोई भी symbol नहीं होता है. Then system is also not written place value. Place value system भी Roman numericals में नहीं होते हैं. Then only I, X, C and M can be repeated. Remember that only I, X, C and M can be repeated, that, and V, L and D cannot be repeated. V, L and D cannot be repeated. In any system you have not repeated. No numerical can be repeated more than 3 times. You have to write only 3 times. Suppose X, 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 it means 30. 40 means 4x, don't write. Then V, L and D are never subtract. V, L and D are never subtract. I can subtract from V and X. I can subtract from V and X. Here written Roman number in 4. It means 5 minus 1, 4. And 1 I, X. It means 10 minus 1, 9. Then X can be subtract from L and C. X can be subtract from L and C. It means XC 100 minus 10, 90. XL 50 minus 10, 40. You have learned these rules, and remember all the things in your mind when you have to do Roman numbers. Thank you.